I'll be darned, I never thought I would see the day. This does say official licensed product from Temu. It's not a ripoff. Oh, amazing. Thank you for watching that episode of Stone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. This is something I picked up off Temu. It actually has a brand name on it, Toyota. It looks like their FJ Cruiser. I have always wanted an FJ Cruiser, but I can never afford to get one. If I could afford to buy it, I still probably couldn't afford to drive it. Just because of the gas I'm sure it uses. But anyway, yeah, so I got this little brick kit from Temu. I'm very excited to build it. Let's see, I think I've shown you all the sides at this point. Let's get her opened up here and see what it looks like on the inside. Alright, we've got bricks. I'm not sure what all that's about. I guess we'll find out in a minute. Okay, are they number bags? Doesn't look like it. Maybe. There's a 2 and a 3 and a 1. So maybe they are numbered. A little difficult to tell, but I think you could argue that they might be. Tires are tirey. Yeah, so maybe they're numbered. Let's see what it looks like. See what this is here. I'm not really sure. Oh, it has a case it comes with. That is pretty cool. So it looks like a shipping container essentially. Yeah, so it kind of showed that on the box here somewhere. Where did I see that at? Just sworn I saw it on the box there somewhere. Oh yeah, there we go. So yeah, so it actually even comes with a little case for it, which I think is pretty cool. Here's the instructions, it looks like. And the outer glass to the case that you're going to make here to store it in. Let's see if we can get her opened up here without putting a big scratch on it, I hope. There we go. And I just want to see what the instructions look like here, see what I'm getting myself into. Alright. And how to build the container. We've got some more little parts here for that, I'm sure. Now here's the book, so it's a pretty small book. The colors are nice. It is about 82 pages or so, or a little less. It does give you all the bricks in the back. And I just want to see if it did look like it showed bag numbers, and it doesn't really look like, as far as I can tell. In the front here, we've got some history of the FJ there. As you can see kind of how it evolved. 1984, goes up to 1984. Okay, so maybe not a complete history, but it does give you some information about the old FJ Cruiser. Alright, that looks like a very fun. Alright, well we'll get this sucker put together on camera, of course, and I'll be glad to give you a review on how it went. Okay, it's all finished. Here is my FJ Cruiser. This is made by Power Block, is the company that put this together. And I gotta say, this was a great kit. Even assembled just like you would expect a Lego kit to. Easily, the parts fit together well. Nothing was too crazy hard to snap together. Nothing seemed like it wanted to fall off real easy. It was a blast. And it was officially licensed, it looks like. They do have the Toyota name on there. So, I mean, this wasn't just a... I did get this from Temu, but this wasn't just a IP ripoff of some other company's property. This appears to have been essentially officially sanctioned by Toyota. It is a very good little mock-up here. The doors do open, and they do close. A little tight there, but not too bad. And yeah, let's put it in display. It comes with a little piece here and you put it in the bottom, and then you can put it in its nice little display it came with. It has a little name plate there, so you can help everybody else know that it's an FJ Cruiser. That sits right in there, and this comes down just like so. And so it's got a nice little display box for it, with a name on there too, so hopefully everybody's going to know it is the FJ Cruiser. Like I said, this was a great kit. It is non-Lego, we call it fLego or fake Lego, but it was a very fun assembly. It was reasonably priced on Temu. I definitely would recommend it if you're into building car brick kits. That's a good one. And FJ Cruiser is one of my favorite cars. I would love to own one, but I just can't afford to. So this is going to have to do it. This is going to have to do the job here. All right, thanks for watching another episode of Stone's Reviews. Please like and subscribe. Please consider supporting us on Patreon. I unfortunately was sick for about 2 weeks, which really kind of cramped some of my financial situations there. So any support you can give us on Patreon would be appreciated. For $3 a month, you get ad-free access to our videos, and that $3 help you decide what to love making next. Thanks a whole lot. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.